Hi, my name is Fan Yang, your Chief Technical Strategist here at ForexMinute.com. You're watching today's Forex video briefing. It is Friday, September 12th, and we're in the middle of the US session. This week, the euro dollar and pound dollar consolidated, stalling sharp declines in both pairs. We saw strong retail sales and consumer sentiment data out of the US on Friday today, but this failed to bring the US dollar back to strength. The fact that the US dollar is fading despite strong data suggests that it may be due for some consolidation, which should allow the euro dollar and the pound dollar to continue its consolidation and maybe bullish correction mode. Let's take a look at their charts. The euro dollar was trading in the triangle throughout the week, holding above 1.2860. It lost volatility and was forming this triangle. Note the small hourly candles around 1.2925 or 20, and also the 150-hour moving average clustering, converging around this area as well. After the data points, we got some shakeup. The market shook both ways until it eventually broke above this triangle resistance and is now poised to test the 1.2987 high resistance pivot here from last week. From this consolidation resistance. It is testing the 200 hours simple moving average now, and we are seeing some reaction here. So if there is a pullback, a market in bullish correction mode should hold above 1.2950, and it should really, even if there's a sharper pullback, it should really hold above. It should not break below 1.2920. A break below 1.2920 might signal bearish continuation. Okay, now focusing on the bullish correction mode, if price breaks above 1.2990, it opens up a range breakout target of about 130 pips higher, which would target around 1.3117. The 130 pips is the width of the current consolidation range, and this consolidation range, when you look at the 4-hour chart, it can be interpreted as an inverted head and shoulders pattern. You can see that there is previous support here around 1.3110. So we should monitor the 1.3110 to 1.3120 area for sellers if this bullish correction scenario materializes. Again, if price instead falls back below 1.2920, we should look for the bearish continuation scenario instead. Pound dollar is already in a bullish correction. When we look at the 4-hour chart, we see that price found a bottom above 1.6051 when it broke above 1.6156. And after this price bottom, cable is consolidating now between 1.6276 and 1.6203 or 04. A break below 1.62 can revive the bearish outlook. Otherwise, the current bullish correction scenario has upside risk towards 1.6340. and above that towards 1.6440. Now, if price doesn't break above 1.6276 or simply cracks this resistance and comes right back and breaks below 1.62, then the bearish outlook the prevailing bearish outlook would still be dominant, and we would and the pressure would be back towards the 1.6051 support pivot. Then below that, we would look for the 1.60 psychological level. And that wraps up today's Forex video briefing. Once again, I'm Fan Yang, your Chief Technical Strategist here at ForexMinute.com, wishing you a great weekend.